Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos on INFINIX Zero Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open a camera. Here make sure that you're in a normal mode and swipe up like that. Go for the super macro and now you're in the macro mode, and position your phone about 2.5 centimeters from the object that you want to take a macro photo of. It also should be in a good light. And now take your phone like that and take a photo. Try not to move the phone as much as possible, and that's how you take a macro photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.